Earth, our planet. It contains 326 million cubic miles of water. That's roughly 72% of the Earth.
The ocean. Earth's hydrospheres are mostly made up of this saline water.
Water, also known as H2O, and the liquid of life. These are water molecules. They make up water. They consist of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. What's this?
The water is evaporating. The H2O molecules are speeding up and moving away from each other. It is now water vapor.
Over time, water vapor eventually releases heat and condenses. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you clouds. The air in the clouds continues to get colder. As it cools, the cloud loses its ability to hold water vapor. Water droplets emerge from the clouds and fall to the earth. This is precipitation. Depending on temperature, precipitation can be rain, snow, sleet, or hail.
And the precipitation has landed. The water is now run off. It rushes down the mountains. The rainwater flows into the Earth's hydrosphere.
Not all water merges with the Earth's hydrospheres, though. Infiltration is when water infiltrates the ground. Water is moving underground at all times. Due to gravity, water moves downwards and sideways, filling up aquifers as it goes. As groundwater flows by, grass, trees, and other plants perform a gravity-defying wonder. Using their roots, they pull up groundwater. Excess water is released through a plant's pores located in its leaves as water vapor. This is called transpiration. Remaining groundwater is released through underwater and ocean winds. We are once again at the ocean. 90% of all evaporated water vapor in the atmosphere comes from the oceans. Oceans also allow water to move across the globe. Not all H2O is either a gas or a liquid. 98% of the Earth's fresh water is locked up in ice, snow, and glaciers. In total, 1.7% of Earth's global water is permanent snow, ice caps, and glaciers.
Eventually, snow and ice melt once their temperature rises above 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. It may take from weeks to years, but eventually it will melt.
The water cycle is critical for all life on Earth. All animals need to take in water and get rid of it. Animals have their own mini water cycle going on all the time. Most animals do not have that big of an impact on the water cycle. There is, however, one creature on Earth that has a huge impact on the water cycle: human beings. Humans adapt the water cycle to make life easier for them. In conclusion, if not for the water cycle, Earth would not be habitable. We depend on Earth's natural processes for water. Learning about the water cycle will help us understand water